This is how to make some searches on YouTube. Okay. So what you need to do is to tap on the YouTube mobile app installed on your iPhone or on your Android. If you don't have any, get to the App Store or Play Store and install it. So here I will tap on this. As the YouTube app opens, tap on search. All right. So here you can see the search, the icon. Will I say something is blinking there? Okay, the cursor is blinking. Yeah, that's the right hand cursor. So let's say I want to search for a video on how to use a computer. So I'll type how to use, okay, a computer, all right, or a laptop. Let's say a laptop. Okay, maybe that's the video I want to watch. All right, so after typing that information, tap on search. All right, or enter key depending on the type of device you are using, or return depending on the text there. So you can see the search button here, the search key here. So I'll tap on it. So this has returned some videos on how to use a laptop for beginners. All right, you can see this one here. If you scroll down, you will see more. Okay, so this is this particular one here, so I don't need it. So you can see shorts on how to use a computer. So all this contains some videos on how to use a computer. So you filter down and tap on the particular video you want to watch. Okay, if for example this one is what I want to watch, I will tap on it and it will start playing. It is that simple. All right.